Hello, all future Red Knights. This is Mrs. Beaver, principal now at Reading Intermediate High School. Some of you may remember me from Southern Middle School, been there for 10 years, but now I'm up here on Walnut Street with you. Very, very excited, of course, to begin our new school year. We have orientations coming up August 22nd and 23rd. Check out the website to find out what time you yourself are supposed to be there. It goes by last name, so make sure you come at the right time. Students, I just want to give you a heads up as to the messages you're going to hear from me each and every day, and those of you who went to Southern will definitely know exactly what I'm going to say next. But so that you all know, and so that we are all very clear, I have 3 expectations for each and every one of you every day. Number 1, sit in your assigned seat, which of course means you have to be in the classroom that you're assigned to. Number 2, make sure that you keep your mouth closed during instruction, which also means put your cell phones away during instruction. Number 3, do what your teacher tells you to do, and make sure that it is the first time your teacher tells you to do it. No, what? I don't want to do it. Any of that, not happening. You don't have to like it, but you do have to do it. And as far as any kind of bullying or any kind of conflict goes throughout our days, anytime that you see or experience any type of bullying or conflict, be sure to tell an adult here at school and an adult at home immediately. We do not tolerate any type of bullying, but you absolutely have to report anything that you see so that we can either do a mediation for conflict or have some very, very hard, tough conversations with people over anything that is very inappropriate in school. As far as leaving school, at the end of the day, make sure that you get out of here, go have fun, go hang out with your family, tell your parents what a wonderful day you have had at the intermediate high school, and make sure that you are drama-free on your way home from school each and every day. We are very excited and looking forward to all the parents out there. Please just know that we're going to have a lot of different things for you this year. We're going to be taking attendance every class, so if your children are not getting to class on time or not getting to class at all, that should never, ever, never, ever happen. You're going to get called each and every period that your child is not in class. So be prepared for any phone calls. Also, parents, any kind of communication that we need to make with you in regards to any other positive or negative things that are happening here in school with your child, we'll also be reaching out to you, and you can feel free to reach us at any time. Use our phone numbers, use our emails, come on in, or make sure that you contact us any which way you can. We are very excited to work with you to make sure that our students do a fantastic and successful job this school year.